Hey, Mycroft. What's today's date?
Thursday, May 2nd, 2019.
Hey, Mycroft. What's the weather like?
Right now, it's clear sky and 59 degrees. Today's forecast is for a high of 59 and a low of 51.
Hey, Mycroft. How tall is the Eiffel Tower?
The total height of the Eiffel Tower is about 1,063 feet.
Hey, Mycroft. Play the news.
Just one moment while I look for that. Here is the latest news from NPR News Now.
Support for NPR and the following message come from Chapman University, located in the hub of Southern California's thriving industries
Hey,
and
Mycroft.
designated as a hot.
Stop.